Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Citibank credit card issues, quick tutorial step by step clearly. If you're experiencing issues with your Citibank credit card, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and effectively. Start by gathering your card and any relevant information, such as your account number and recent transactions. Log into your Citibank online account or the mobile app. Navigate to the Account Services or Customer Support section. Look for the option labeled Report a Problem or Dispute a Transaction. If your issue is related to a specific charge, select Dispute a Transaction. Fill out the necessary details about the transaction in question, including the date and amount. If your card is lost or stolen, select the Report Lost or Stolen Card option instead. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity and submit your report. For general inquiries or account issues, locate the Contact Us section. Choose your preferred method of communication, whether it be phone, chat, or email. If you opt for a phone call, have your information ready for faster assistance. Explain your issue clearly to the representative you speak with. Take notes during the call, including any reference numbers provided. Check your email for confirmation of your inquiry or dispute. Monitor your account regularly for updates regarding your issue. If necessary, follow up within a few days if you haven't received a resolution. Be patient, as some issues may take time to resolve. Consider visiting a nearby Citibank branch for in-person assistance if your problem persists. Remember to keep your records organized until the issue is fully resolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.